Did you know Blackmagic AI offers an AStar Cloud API? Well, now let you know, let's explain how you can get started using the API to build your applications. Well, first, let's explain what it is. The AStar Cloud API is an open source cloud API that implements the AStar algorithm. So, the AStar algorithm is a graphical path finding algorithm to find the shortest path around obstacles. So, some of the applications for this API are robot navigation for cloud robotics, AI character game design, mapping in game maze applications, or whatever you decide to build using the API. Now, how do you get started? Well, first, you'll go to the Blackmagic AI Patreon page and you'll sign up for the AStar API key membership. And then once you get your API key, you can head over to the Blackmagic AI Swagger Hub page and use your API key to test the example on our Swagger Hub. So that example will allow you to make actual calls using your API key to our API without any coding. And then you can head over to the Blackmagic AI AStar repo on our GitHub page. So this repo has example code in Java and Python with examples on how to call the API and process the returned data. And then there's also some additional video tutorials on our YouTube channel. So you can go to our YouTube channel and check that out. Well, that concludes this summary video by Blackmagic AI. You can go to blackmagicai.com, like us on Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, thank you for watching.